Leo token. Today's money bag alert. The token is from Bitfinex. We'll be checking this one out, doing some price predictions at the end of the video. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and that bell notifications lit up like that. You guys do not miss out on any daily content. But first, this is one of the ones that I believe could be a BNB years to come. This is a long-term hold. This is a different type of money bag alert, but nevertheless, I've seen BNB grow over time, and I think this one could potentially do the same thing. I posted a tweet yesterday on some price predictions, and we'll get to that at the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned. We got Bitfinex, a token designed to empower the Bitfinex community, right? So this is letting you know the burns, the total supply, the burn that's pending, and Leo collected within the last 24 hours. But the reason I say that it could be the next BNB, obviously it was out before Binance, because Bitfinex was out before Binance, but Binance did some really good work with BNB, and these are some of the things that I could see where it has a familiar sense to me. We have exchange, margin funding, margin trading, order types, customizable interface, and security. That's all some of the things that Binance offers. And if I'm familiar, I'm not sure if you guys are. If you trade with Binance, not financial advice where you should do your trading and not do your trading, but if you hold BNB while you're doing futures trading or any type of trading, if you have BNB put to the side, especially those who trade futures would understand, those are my money bag alerts. The future trades, if you hold BNB, you get 10% off of all your trades. So that is some actual utility right there. And I remember trading BNB way back since 2017, and the price, look at BNB now. No matter what, at the end of the day, yeah, we're in what is officially called the bear market. But we have BNB still technically up higher than it was when it first started. So, time in the market beats timing the market, okay? So this was today's wick that came down for the Leo token, which is today's money bag alert for those who can hold long term and see the potential of a token that's associated with exchange like Bitfinex, and also seeing the similarities of this token compared to BNB. One thing that they have compared that BNB does not have is their block card, and I'll have all the links down in the description where you guys can dig a little bit deeper. But this is mainly a price prediction video and a money bag alert. So this is the wick of today. We're going to take a look at a tweet I posted yesterday. If it loads up right here. Side note, possible money bag alert. Let me know what you guys think. So right here, this was yesterday, and we'll blow this picture up right here. So we could see that I called this money bag alert yesterday, and I was looking at this price around this $4.08. Obviously, it did not hit that $4.08 today, but if you look, we're very, very close. It's not perfect, but it seems like it wanted to respect the wicks of these candles marked right here. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let me fix this up a little bit. So it looks like it wanted to respect this a little bit. I have brought it down to this area right here, as you can see, where we're starting to hover around that same area that I tweeted yesterday, around that $4.08. And I'll still stand on that to see if it can hold above this. Nevertheless, that's amazing. We also have another channel that, if the markets continue to pull back, we can see maybe another buy opportunity down in this range down here. Let me zoom out a bit. This would be the next channel that we would be inside of if it broke down, which would be $3.12. But this is looking pretty good. Obviously, it didn't rip up like anything compared to BNB in the $300 range. But if you could do a long-term hold, imagine if you can go back in time and say, hey, I'll load up on BNB at $30. One of the prices I remember seeing it go up to $100 and stuff like that. So this is some opportunity that's on the table. I want you guys to make sure you guys got the like button smashed. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Let me know what you guys think about the Leo token down in the comments down below, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.